So we proceed dengan next tutorial. Okay, dalam tutorial ni I will teach you the step for kita nak check our for normality and as well kita nak identify the outliers. Alright, from the data yang kita run through SPSS, we can go for this test. You go analysis and then go on descriptive statistic and then explore, and then you have to choose all the IV and DV you put at the dependent list, and then statistic you can click for outliers, and then also for the plot, normality plot with the test and histogram. Alright, so kita wait for a while. The result we will produce. Okay, so now kita nak check on the test. So basically we have two tests for normality. We have a Kolmogorov and also the Shapiro weight, and we must ensure that this value, this p value for this Shapiro and also Kolmogorov, they must achieve above than 0.05. If not, that data is not normal. Okay, and also we also can check on our outliers. Based on this box plot, we can identify those yang extrinsic ataupun star kan. So based on all these IV and DV, we can check and then we can identify based on dia punya score, and then we can remove it. Then after kita dah we have dah satisfied on our data, we have removed all the outliers, dan our data pun is considered as normal, and then we can proceed to the next test. Okay, thank you for watching my video.